Testing, testing. Yeah. Hello. Welcome back, guys. Morning. Pico, Undergrow, Briz, TFN. Good day. It's a busy one already. Answered the door multiple times. And phone calls. And that's the point. I've got to quickly reply to another customer. Wow. I've even got the aircon on today, man. It was wild stuffy in here. Cool. Yeah, David. Hello. So as you can see the title, story behind this. I've got two from the same person. I don't understand how this is going to be the thing, the issue. I don't think there's nothing wrong with these. Never is. Hello, Malax. Morning. Quick pop in. Hello, then off to bed. Okay, well, sleep well, mate. Thank you for popping in. Hello, Farm Tech. You're up already? What do you mean? It's 10:46. Hello, Worms. Hi. So the story behind this, or these, he had his car interior. This is already plumbed in, wired in. It was working fine. He had his car interior replaced, like all brand new fabrics and stuff. After that, amplifiers didn't work. And he believes that both amplifiers are blown. Thank you. Have a wonderful Saturday, gents. Thank you. And I don't believe that's true. I reckon they've probably done something like nicked a wire in or something. So what I'm going to do is hook up 12 volts to this to power it on. Also put the remote in, and I'm going to put audio in there. And then I'm going to see if we get any output. Don't know how good this amp is. It feels really heavy. Wave Tech. And I bet it's going to work. No worries, TFN. I don't know if there's a massive delay on your stream, or you're just slow at reading. Hello, Phil. Good morning. Well, not slow at reading, but don't read chat much. I guess you're too busy trying to fix things. Oh. But yeah, I wouldn't ever inject 2 volts into anything. Always 1 amp and just max, like, I leave the amps uncapped. I let it draw what it wants, unless it's drawing like something really high, like 4 or 5 amps, then I'll reduce it down. But yo, Joseph. So that's what I'm going to do here is hook up 12 volts to 12 volts and ground. And I'm going to also use a jumper wire from 12 to REM. We've got the grub screws in there. It starts off sharp right from the start. What's that mean? Right, is this a 5? No, it's too big. It is a 5mm one. I think I've got these upside down. No, that was the right way up. Oh, now I've got someone else messaging me. All right, when would you be available? I forgot what this is for. It's very clean. Today or any day next week. Thanks. Now I need to find out the value of that cap, though. It's required for the PC to work. Ooh. Is there not one near it? Like, that looks very similar to what it should be doing? I know it sounds bad, but once before I just threw any old capacitor in there and it worked. Hello, interesting things. All right, let's go wire these in. Actually, to be fair, I could clamp that on there, clamp this on there, and then have a wire quite a thick wire if I have one. I'm sure I did. Probably push right back here. Yeah, there it is. Jumper wire from here into the remote location in there. Oh, that's the wrong bit. It's now smaller. Maybe this size. Yep, too big. This size then. Look at this beautiful wiring. Right, I think that's in. So there is power, it's just no audio. The lights come on apparently. Why is this not screwing down? What's going on? Oh, that's way too big. Holy crap. Chillerats, thank you so much. It's perfect. I threw a message on your Discord, and if anyone wants to get in touch for them boards, it's like, of course it is, man. Your boards are amazing. From the glow of the cap, I might have well have injected 60 volts 30 amps. Yeah, it was so hot. The low metal solder didn't need much help with it. Damn it, that's crazy. Custom builds, bloody hell! Hello, what are you doing in here? I've got an interview, guys. What do I talk about? Sorry about the dumb questions. What? You've got an interview? What do you talk about? Use ChatGTP. 90 degrees. Yeah, that was toasty. I saw it glow, but I didn't get to see you remove it. Is that going to clamp down on it? Yes, it is. Okay, that's clamped in there now. So that should turn on, technically. Let's give it a go. 12 volts going in 3, 2, 1. No lights, but we're getting 1.5 amps. Oh yeah, it did come on. It's saying clip, clip, clip. Took a while to start up. What's clip, clip mean?
I've got a really small one.
Huh. That's like it's... That's weird, actually. I don't like talking about past interviews, don't blame you. Sorted out the com problem on PC. Cam is on OBS now, good. Just send... Oh, right, perfect. Just send me your postcode. You need Carthor, he's good with amps. Yeah, now... It's saying it's clipping in orange. That means the gain's too high up, right? Why is this gain all the way to the max? Then they're all been put up to the max. Maybe that would stop it from clipping. It should just power on. It shouldn't really be drawing much amps. That jumps up to 4 amps then. No, it's still saying it's clipping. That is strange. .6 amps.
Oh no!
1.6 amps. I need a job ASAP. Damn it. It's a labour position at control. Oh, right, okay. It's crap. It's scrap. Yeah, and now I don't know if that's an issue. I didn't see the lights in his car. Oh, so give you a rundown. The Xbox just turns off when it gets hot. It doesn't give me a warning, just does it when it gets hot. I assume the thermal paste, very clean. What do you think from my experience? If it's very clean, it won't be thermal issue, to be honest. Worth a go, but it might be that if it's very clean, Xbox Series X shuts down when it gets hot. How do you know when it gets hot? It gets hot on the right top bit. Anyway, anyone else invest in SPCX after? Ricochet, hello. All green. Oh, it's all green. Oh. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Oh, it's all... Wait, no, it's not all green. It's turned off, you silly cow. Maybe it takes a while to start up. Nah, something's not right if it's pulling that much on standby. 1.6 amps. 1.5. No, it's 1.6. It's like going into protection mode. All right, let's get into it because that is very odd. Right, I just got a notification that it disappeared. Something's going wrong with my phone. I restarted my phone because of this. Oh, it's probably Discord then, because my Discord does that. Maybe. Let's see if anything's getting super toasty. Oh, it just looks like it's another slidey jobby and not a separation. Yeah, that's going into protection mode, I believe. Don't leave it on too long. We're drawing way too much current. It means something's getting hot and could cause more damage. Get it in, put on 30. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. But he's had it hooked up to his car this whole time, turned on like that. I haven't worked in 3 weeks. That's nothing. Yeah, I don't know why that is going into... I think it's protection mode for those channels. It's got 3 channels. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. Very odd. Right, does this just pop off? No, because I've got a screw. Yeah, fingers crossed you get the job, man. Good luck. Damn it. These need screwing in. All taken out, one of the 2. How on earth did he get into that? Oh, probably these ones. 5mm, of course. You can still rob a bank. Oh, they do separate. Fantastic. It does separate. Good. No sliding needed. Yeah, I don't know why he's got 2 different amps, and that one's an Alpine over there. I just don't understand how both of them blew. I don't get it. Like, did he have them both plugged in the car at the same time? Don't know. No slip and slide. Whoa. Hello, Victor. Morning. Whoa. Do look rather pale today, I think. So all the screws, believe so. Oh, I'm gonna have to undo these. I still need to get a tool for these. Mr. Andy, some people preamp into the other amp. Oh, okay, well, yeah, that's good enough. Oh, it's multi-layered. No, it's not. Whoa, look at that. Great, the MOSFETs are all hidden. Okay, I see something already. Okay, yeah, it's definitely blown. Fair play. Fair play. You see that? Joking, hold on. Bingo. Pretty sure that's blown.
Oh no!
It's melted. But there's one next to it as well, and that's fine. So I'm going to get the thermal cam on it anyway, see if that is blown. No idea what that IC is. Wow, that's a great amp looking. Yeah, it looks quite nice inside. I don't see anything yet. I've not had another look, but that was just a quick, brief look. Let's plug it in, see what the thermals are saying. I've got to turn this around though. Looks like hot glue on that chip. It's not. I can feel the indent on it. No. And that is probably controlling. I don't know. To be fair. What? 12 volts. What? How did I do this last time? I can't seem to clamp it together now. What? Yeah, alright, what? There you go. What? Chip went bang. I've got 3 Mercs, keyless fixes, but I'll keep an eye on the stream too. Oh, if you get stuck, I may have. Alright, thank you, Victor. I do appreciate that. Yeah, Simon, thank you. I can't remember what the differences are. It's getting quite chilly in here. Ooh. Where's my phone? On charge. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa, yeah, like that. Jeez. I know. Oh, that's normal. No, that's normal for that, I think. They're just the resistors. Nothing's getting hot. And let me get a pokey stick. What is it? Around here, the diodes and current sense resistors. And this is, I don't know what that is yet. It's a 3-legged freak. Yeah. 57. I guess that's pretty toasty, but that's weird. That exploded chip. Yeah, look, half of it's glowing, and you've got this little thing here. And that's going to the chip. You can see the trace line. Only half glowing. How weird is that? It's blown on the top side, that's why. Only half the chip's getting warm. That's hilarious. James, hello mate. Only half that chip's getting slightly warm. I just took a picture. I'll do some measurements, see if we're getting shorts or anything. But I'll show you the picture on here because you guys probably couldn't see it properly. See? Only half the chip's getting warm. And then you've got that thing there that's kind of lighting up, which seems odd, which that is a resistor. So too much current's going through it. £20 a chip! Bloody hell, you're looking way into it. Anyway. Sparta, hello. Anything on the upstanding boards? What's that mean? These? Nah. Let me have a look around first. I mean, that's physically blown there. Like it's melted. It's gone. And then that 4.7 ohm resistor down there is getting toasty, which doesn't look like that's on part of it. 789 on Ali, yeah. Thing is, he needs it for next week, I think he said. I said it's about 2 weeks max, I think. Pretty sure I told him that. Right, let's check continuity. Great, where's a good ground? Which side of these caps are ground? I would probably say this side. Which side would be... No, that's not ground, because that's not connected. Oh, that's in line with the chip, so that's fine. Is that ground? I might have to look for a pin out. But this side's shorted, if this is supposed to be ground. This side is not short. What's that input? Don't know, I'll have to look at the pin out. This side's short as well. No, that's supposed to be ground. Yeah, these two outer ones are ground. Doesn't seem to be short. But it is blown. It's 100% blown. Might have just got lucky. It might just be that's failed. There's... And maybe, because it's blown, do you reckon it separated itself from ground? Yeah. Let's see if this is 4.7 ohm or is it blown open? Yeah, still 4. Well, actually, it showed at 4.9, 4.8. Scrap it. Scrap it. You can go further. What do you mean by that, Andrew? Yeah, could have blown open. Yeah, I think that's what's happened rather than shorted. Yeah, because this side is ground of the chip, and if it's now blown open and it's not connected to the other half, of course it's not going to work. Unless some of these are ground. Some of these ground? No. None of them are ground. Oh wait, that's not a ground, is it? This was a ground, I believe. Oh, there is a ground. That, of course, yeah. Yeah. £5.25 DigiKey with VAT included and postage. Yeah, you got to pay for postage too, Sparta. Why test any further if chips melted? Oh, because there could be more than one fault, Andrew. That's why. It could have blown other components around it. Because there might be something that caused that chip to blow. Because this is getting warm. Is this a diode? No, I don't know what this is. This is getting warm. There's no shorts on there though. From what I can test. That seemed okay. These diodes good? Yeah, they seem fine. This concerns me a little bit. Like, is this melted and shifted? It seems alright though. It's fine. I think we might be alright. Now, those current sense resistors here, are these okay? Yeah, they're fine too. Okay, I think we're alright everywhere else, to be fair. Probably not £40, but very expensive. DigiKey's postage, it's usually 20 quid. Oh, bye GT Auto, thank you, bye. Thanks for dropping in quickly and then dipping. But looking at everything else on the board, Let's start from the inputs. See, that looks like it's chipped a bit. That might just be factory though. Or that's good. All right there. Just having a quick overall inspection. What is my screen flickering? Do you see a screen flickering every now and then? Because I do. £20, very funny, GP. And hello, mate. How are you? Hi, Zerd. Long time no speak. It is. Yes. Nope. Looks good. Every now and then it flickers. I keep looking up and it's flickered. I might have to restart it. If it does it again, let me know. And I'll restart it. I think everything else is fine. Oh, is that a melted? Or is that just glue? See at RS10, where's that on here? I can't see him. Whereabouts am I? Is that it? Is my scope froze? No. Where is that? Oh, there. No, that's fine. That's just glue. Okay. Food time? No, you haven't seen any flickering? Okay. I looked up a couple of times and I saw something flicker across the screen. It's done that before. I have to restart. It was fine. It's because I don't turn my PC off at night anymore. And it's always plugged in, turned on. Only because I like to save my settings so I don't have to keep changing my settings every time I restart my PC. Nah, it's going to be fine, isn't it? Okay, let me take note of that. So let me take a picture. And hopefully that's the only issue. There's no... there you go. It flickered. I saw it at the corner of my eye. Did you see it flicker? Please say you saw it flicker. I'm going to write a sticky on the sticky note. So I'm going to start doing this. What parts are for what? Yeah, you saw it flickered. Good. Right, thank you. Right, unplugged. Let's give it a restart. Deactivate. Plug back in. Proper busy at work last few weeks. Bless you. Right, we're back on my... oh my god, so yellow. Oh, let's reset all my settings. Fucking annoying when it does this. Configure video. Brightness to 180. Contrast to 180. No, 170. Saturation to 70. White balance level 3. And exposure. Oh, it looks a lot better actually. That looks much better colour. That's a bit too bright. Points -7. There you go. That actually looks like better colours. Did you not save prep? No, not in OBS. I don't know why it doesn't save. It looks rather blue though, don't you think? Or is that okay? Well, that's the actual real colours that I can see. That's natural colours. Right, anyway, I digress. Where's my stick? There it is. So it's a MA5 332MS. 332MS IC. Blown. Okay. So that's that one done. Oops, I wrote it upside down on sticky pad. So if I do that, then I know That's what that potentially needs, and hopefully that's the only fix. Can't really test much else until I replace that chip. Or if there's multiple issues still. So that's amp number 1 done. Damn it, I need that. How am I missing a bit? Oh yeah, there. I've basically put... That's not right. They're all messed up. How annoying is this? Oh, why? Why did the customer just pull them all out? I can't read it.
Oh no!
0.5. That says 3. So 3 should go there. 5 should go there. That's not 5. 5's here. So what size is this? This is 5. Oh no, that is 5. Then it goes 4.5, which is correct. And it goes 4. That's 3. Is this 4? Oh, this is 4. Then it goes 3.5. Yep, and then 3. Okay. Yeah. There you go. That's sorted now. There you go. Yeah, I think that's okay. Here comes Mandy. Don't know if in doubt, pull it out. No. Not a good rule to go by in restaurant, Squish. What did Squish say? Flickered, yeah. Oh, no, that was before. Do you remember Max Headroom from the 80s? No. Okay. I'm actually going to keep it upside down. I do want to put the screws in a bag because I have a tendency of losing screws when it's stored for a while, which is strange because I never touch it. I put it on the shelf and leave it, but... Right, another car amp to look at. Oh, where did the other faceplate go? Oh, it's still on there, okay. Oh, actually, I've also got his screws that he mounted it to his car with. Right, let's turn the aircon off. That's actually really cold. So this is... It is sunny, yeah, it's lovely. It's quite nice. An Alpine S2A36F. What's that? What wattage is it? Does it say? 90 and 60 watts. Someone's at the door. Ding dong. Ding dong.
family.
Got a junk PS5. I believe it's HDMI. Yeah, looks pushed back. Yep, it's got a bad HDMI. Oh my god, that's dusty too. It's gonna be fun. Do you know what? Oh, I left my friggin' phone indoors. 2 seconds. Got flip flops on. Right, got it. Oh, what is this gonna say? And you reckon I'll fix it? What? And you reckon I'll fix it? What? You mean it will fix it? Okay, I've had enough of that. Morning! Aggie, yeah, a little bit. So, that thing that blew... I'm still waiting for delivery. Oh, it's that. Where's that then? Package leaving origin, country region, okay. Now, I'm confused about this. I bought this on the 25th of May. 25th of May. We're in now like 13th. And it's been stuck at package arrived at local facility May the 30th. It's been stuck on that. I've already got £2 compensation thingy. And that's the same with that. That's all part of the same package. 931 at the end. Same thing. And also bought some TMRs. But this one says here, out for delivery. That's different. But none of the rest say that. Only that does. But it's part of the same tracking number. So I don't know if it is actually finally out of delivery. Or is that what it said on Saturday in May. And it's never arrived since. Morning, Joseph. Yeah, Alpine are decent. Well, let's see if it works. Shut multimeter. Again, same thing. I guess it's blown as well. This is a more simpler one. Let's attach 12 volts remote. Oops. I get that with Yodel. It says local for carrier for days and Sunday 1 day is out for the... Oh, is it? But this has been a week though. It said that for now. Shit, my gate's slamming open. Why is my gate slamming open? Okay. I'll sort my gate out quick. Door, not my gate. It's a door. There you go. It's the first time I've had issues with Yodel. Usually they're pretty good. What? But I've also had other things from Yodel posted since, so I don't know why they just didn't do it all as one. Right, here we go. 12 volts. What's going to happen? Nothing. Seems normal. Wait. It should power up. Oh, has it got nothing? Oh, it's not drawing anything. Oh, yeah, it's not turning on. I've got remote plugged in and it's definitely connected. Yeah, it's not even starting up. Fuse? Is it just a simple blown fuse? God, Jesus. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Nah, fuse looks good. I know I could have tested it while it was in there, but... Do it outside. Yeah, that was connected. Yeah, fuse is fine. Okay, so... I'm going to have to open this one up. So screw, screw, screw. And hopefully just screw, and the lid would lift off. Hopefully. You need to connect ignition part. I did, Tom. That's what this little wire was for. It was connected to battery. I had it looped over. That's what I did with the other amp. Donkey. Oh my God. Where's my... Is this one going to fit? Yes. That's good. I'll use this bad boy. Much more torque. No aircon needs to go back on. Let's get it warm quick. I think that's going to lift up. Could be wrong. What? Hello, 3D Medic Vince. Good morning. You going to lift off? You're going to be a pain. No. You don't just lift off. You little shit. Alright, I'll undo all the screws. Now, I do see a little screw there. Oh, I'm going to have to undo that as well, aren't I? Yeah, that needed to be undone. Okay, now can we get off? Oh, bottom access. You access it from the bottom. Damn it. I think I'm warm now. Wait till next weekend. I need to try clean my car tomorrow. I need to get that paint off. The neighbours agreed to pay for the invoice to get the paint off. So if I do a clean as much as I can first. Yeah, look, it's top access. Damn it! Oh well. Ah, what's this? It's not turned on by remote. Turn on type, DC, remote, or remote. It's on DC. That's weird. I want it turned on by REM. There you go. Damn it. Got to try and power it up again now. It was turned on by DC. So that means constant battery then, right? Surely. It should have turned on anyway, but we'll try it with remote. What? Stop messaging on Discord, guys, and watch me. There. Saw a spark, which is weird. Right now, is it going to do anything? Now we're powering on. 1.3. See, it's the same thing. Still drawing too much current. That's crazy. Is it blown the same thing?
Oh no!
Maybe. And whoops, just pinged off the power. Damn it. It's not the easiest one to clamp in. Nah. Ah. I could just screw that. No, I can't just screw that down because I'll have nothing for the remote wire to clamp down onto. Or will it? Nah, that's not going to be enough room. But yeah, well, yes it will. Cool. Cool. Solid. Thermal cam. Where is it? We have blue. Yes. Yeah. Sean Cosway. Hello, mate. You okay? And polish the groceries scratches. Yes, it does. Yeah. I will. Oh, yeah, I will polish. I'll try. I mean, I got a machine polisher, a dual action DA machine polisher. I'll try and do as best I can. I'll clay bar it first, then I'll go in with the machine polish. And if that don't work, it's gonna have to go to a place because I don't know what to do. I've got to see if I've got any clay bar still. I haven't machine polished it for nearly 2 years though, which is bad. I used to always do it once a year. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Nothing looks odd out of the ordinary. Apart from those two are warm, that one's not, and these are not on. What's that over there? It's only 43 degrees. That middle leg seems a bit warmer than the others. That seems normal. I said 85 degrees. 86 degrees. 87. Well, that's quite warm. Don't know if it could be normal though. This is going to be a resistor, isn't it? Whereabouts is it? There. Oh yeah, it's a resistor. I'll bear that in mind. That's 87 degrees as well. Yeah, it might be normal if that's also heating up. 87 degrees. That's also 87. So it looks like all these resistors seem to be quite high. I'm going to try it with audio then. Put audio in it. See if it works. Visual inspection is hard to see anything. Okay. Let's try audio. Oh, that's just disconnected. Let's do channel 1 and channel 2. Right. Don't know what that gain level's on. Is that halfway? Or is that on minimum? That's on, there you go. Normal. Filters off. Frequency, mid bass. Okay, that should be good for the input. Have I got my switch down here or did I? Yes, I still got my switch. Hopefully it's got power. Please say you got power. Why? Oh, yeah. I need to get a speaker connected as well. Power, exactly. Wait, did it show up a flat battery logo? Because it's just turned off. Ah, for fuck's sake. It's not holding its charge. It's slowly draining when it's turned off. Yo, hello. I'm not gay. Hey, Alty. I'm going to have to wait until that boosts itself up a bit. Sorry about that. I'm going to have to wait a little bit. Now, I think these wires are a bit too thick. Do I want to bridge it or not? Probably not. I'll just do one channel. Oh no, they're not too big. Bridging it will give it louder. Really want to do that. Let's do channel. I think negative's that one. Did I have blue line go to negative? Oh, I always forget. I should do. Yeah, blue line will be negative. All right, that's ready to test now once the switch turns on. Plug mobile phone. Joseph, what phone do you have? What mobile phone do you have? Just a question, because I get asked that, told that a lot. You need some bootlace ferrules. What's that? You need some bootlace ferrules. Android, Apple. Okay, do you have a headphone slot in yours? Do you have a headphones port? You have an Android, Apple. Wait, that makes no sense. For speaker cables, so stop strand spraying. Oh, right, okay. Bootlace ferrules, never heard of it. It's fine. Right, this is started up now. On one, yes, on Android. What Android's that? Probably a 2000 one. Boost the audio up. Alright, let's see. Now let's turn it on. Actually, let's get to the main screen. You have 5. Jesus Christ. Well, these days, latest phones don't have headphone ports anymore. Right, so this is the main page that I always use for audio testing. Powering it on. And it works. Nothing wrong with this amp. There you go. Nothing wrong. Copyright? I don't know. Is it copyright? Copyright. I wonder if this is a copyrighted song. All right, stop. I don't want to get copyright. Try all channels. Check all outputs. I'm dancing. All right, turn that off. Pain in the asses. Let's flip this upside down. I don't want to try it bridged because it might blow my little speaker. Here we go. Powering it on. Turning on my switch. That one works. Channel 3's not working. Channel 4's not working. Now, is there a selector? Channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, channel 4. Filter, off. We're on 0 decibels, I think. Hold on. I'm trying to adjust this. Yeah, we're on 0 decibels. Now we're on normal. Now let's see if it works. Is that negative? Yeah. Okay, still nothing. Alright, so channel 3 and 4's not working. But that's weird. I've got a channel 3, 4 level control, and it's got a pick. It's got an input for it though. What? Door. Alright, I might have to move on from this because I told him I'll do this on Saturday, but I've got 2 other people coming. Dum.
Oh no!
Andy's the best.
I've got
Family.
a really small one.
The neighbours come round to say turn that banging music down. Imagine, it wasn't even that loud. Yeah, so I don't know if you have to have this to get to channel 3 and 4 to work. I don't know if it's independent to channels 1 and 2. That's max. That's on plus 6 decibels. Do you know, anyone know about car audio? Plug in at other input. Yeah, that's an input for channel 3 and 4. Oh, what a dickhead. Oh my God, yeah, sorry. Duh. Channel input 3 and 4. Got it. Cheers, guys. I didn't see that. Legends. How did I miss that? No. Yeah. I got it. Chill, brothers. Chills, my brothers. Right, turning it on. Oh, speakers. I was waiting for audio. Channel 3. It's good. Channel 4. Yeah, fine. Nothing wrong with this sub. This amp. Cool. Happy days. Fixed. Still got to pay a bench fee for it. I did tell him there's bench fees. So bench fee on that one. The other one, potentially, I didn't actually test it though, did I? But for half the chip for not lighting up, that's definitely blown. That's definitely blown. That's good news for him. Does help, yeah, I know. Right, that's that. Quite like this little bit of wire. Comes in handy. Right, let's put this back together. I'll leave that on charge, actually. You changed the switch to remote. Could the customer need to have done that? For this one, was it this one I did it to? Potentially, yes. Potentially, yeah. I don't know how turn on by DC works. Is it just when it receives battery, it will always be on? I don't know. But I did change it to remote high level input. Yeah, you could be right on that. See, I would love an amp in my car again, but it's not as simple as like just plugging it into the back of your head unit anymore. It's all built in. You have to get this special, is it RCA splitters or something that you tap into your own speaker wires? Via 12 volt from Keaton. Oh, right, I see, yeah. Okay. Right. See, so that probably wouldn't affect it then, his issue. So it won't be from the remote from the stereo being turned on. It'll be turned on via key instead. Gotcha. Gotcha. Damn it. Does anyone know which way around this went? I know it doesn't matter because it's literally symmetrical, but no, it's not symmetrical actually. Don't go that way at all. Ah, nubs are that way. There you go. Oh, perfect, TFN. That's really good. Glisha. Hello, Glisha. Glisha. I'll say Glisha. What's that? Don't know why I took this apart. So I guess 1.6 amps is normal for normal startup for an amplifier. Because that other one was doing the same, but it blatantly had a blown chip. Ignition was so hard to spell. Ignition. Was it? Oh, sorry to hear that. I struggle on a lot of words to spell. That's a tiny screw. Don't need that yet. Alpine's the best. I use so much Alpine stuff in my cars, it's insane. Really? It must be the best because there's actually nothing wrong with this. The other one, I believe there is. Whoops. UK plugged works. Why are you using the UK plug for? Stop using you. You're not in the UK. Unless you guys use the same. The socket came was supposed to be universal. I only tripped my breakers when I plugged anything into it. So it didn't even do its job. It uses EU plugs, yeah. I mean, if mine ever fails, which there's no reason for it ever to fail, I would definitely get that gimbal tester. That is crazy. Why is that not going in? Oh, it is. Had one from a printer. Fair play. 2 screws left and a little screw. Damn it. Did I use that? No, I didn't. What did I use to get that off? This little thing? Maybe. See, I had somebody ask me how much it would cost for a Switch. This is how tight Swindon is and how hard it is to get business without quoting really high. A Switch unpatched, only one side of the charger works. So I said, okay, if it's USB port, it's £25. But if it's the power management IC or the M92, it'll be £30. So that will include the port swap as well, like if it needs it. Still didn't want to do it. Expect you to do nothing. Expect to pay nothing. Oh dear. It's not worth my time doing it. Fixed. It's only 90 watts at 2 ohms. That's bridged, I take it. It's not a very powerful one then, is it? Only 90 watts bridged. I remember I had one that was supposed to be 2000 watts. And it was loud. I had a 12-inch sub, twin 12-inch sub, a Fusion sub. And it was pumping hard, but it just overheated so much. It just quick shut down and go into protection mode because it overheated. It's doing quite well actually. Shit, on repairs. Right, I've got a LiPo charger, or I've got to do the PS5. I've got to do the PS5, then I'll do the LiPo charger adapter thingy. The PS5 was next. Actually, the LiPo charger was in first, but I said this would be done by 3. So sorry, back to a console for now, but then we'll go to a LiPo charger. Yeah, 2000 watts it's supposed to be. What? HP always gives them into package. HP always gives them into the package. No, what? Yeah, this is pretty dusty. Worms, can we play Phasmophobia, please? Today, please. I really want to. Interesting things in here. Oh, the UK plugs, yeah. Damn, good job this is coming in for HDMI. All right, let's give it a test. I can see that black thing has really recessed in there, look. That should not be that deep in there. Why does it look gold? I guess it's been scratched off so much. I don't know. The port's okay. Yeah, that's all fine. You don't need to say please. I enjoy playing it. Thank you. It's just this week has been hectic because obviously Trace not being here, so I've had no time to be in here and leave them abandoned inside. Do a poll on what's wrong with this PS5. Okay. Where's my remote? There it is. Plus, I need to change the title anyway. Wait, how are you guys going to answer? That's not a poll. No, there's no point doing a poll. You can't answer. Hi, brother. Can I restream your videos? What does that mean? Can you restream my video? As in, watch back my videos? Yeah, they're available to watch back, if that's what you're on about. Yeah, obviously you've been fixing stuff and looking after the children. Yeah, it's been hard. Weird. I'm changing it. Wait. Title. Yeah, I did actually. Oh yeah, and I showed yous. Yeah. Forgot about that too. I'm happy about them 2 amplifiers. The quick diagnosis. Diagnosis is... I mean, I'll put the HDMI tester in there anyway, just to show you guys as well that there's no... Okay, here we go. 3, 3. You can't see. 1. Any lights? Nothing, because the whole port's been pushed right back. Straight to white light. Ooh, that's not good. That's insta white light. Straight to safe mode. Let's go straight to safe mode. Oh dear. Don't go straight into safe mode. Nah, that's better. Why does it do that sometimes? No, it's fine. Still no LEDs, so it's dead. It's going to go into white light now. There you go. Anyway, let's get this done. No, it's going to restart. Yep, there it gets restarted. There you go. I finally opened up a case about that PS5 that I ordered. Still got to wait till the 19th now, though, or 18th, for that to hear back from them. Oh, for God's sake. I'm going to get refunded on it, which is annoying, because I'd rather have it. But there's no communication with the seller at all. Well, I'm going to suck some of this up with my vacuum, so I will mute it. Oh, dirty dirt in there. It's really dirty. That's dirty dust. No, sorry, not watching them later. I always do that from my understanding. Like, I have my channel, which I stream gadgets repair on YouTube. So, can I or? You mean use my content on your channel? No, if that's the case, no. If that's what you mean, use my content on your channel. Maybe, sorry if I'm getting the wrong assumption, but yeah, not that. Right, I think that's as good as I'm going to get for a minute. To piggyback on it, exactly, yeah. Thank you for asking, though, and not just stealing, because that is copyright. But yeah. People can already watch your streams on Andy's channel already. Yeah, it's just... Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Worms. That's what I just said. Yeah, good that he has rather than just did it. Yeah, that's what he means. At least he's... Yeah. I think I'm going through the change, guys. I keep going hot and cold. I used my one blade this morning to trim my beard and my neck and everything. It's all right. It's just a bit slow, as in you've got to take a bit more time with it. But it's nice and smooth. Like I do like, yeah, menopause. Yeah, the menopause. Hello, Don. How are you, mate? What meat is used in PC display? This is the Finersi. I can't remember what it's called. Actually, no, it's not. The hardware I'm using for my bench power supply is the Finersi FB58, I think it's called. because I've got that hardwired into my power supply, so I have an on-screen display. But the software I'm using for it is by Max Power, MXP. I can't really tell you what it is. I can't remember. Stop with the finger. Sorry, Don. And this one is just Paul Daniels' one for the ammeter. His Paul Daniels ammeter. FNB58. Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Looking good, Andy. What? Thank you. If I try and share my screen, and I'll show you what software I use for the Finersi FB58 hardwired into the bench power supply. It's this thing. It's MXP Finersi. I don't think it's public yet. I think he's still trying to do stuff to it, but it's been working perfectly for me now. Yeah. He's done it so I can change the colors on it and all sorts. Anyway, let's get into this. I'm wagging too much. Finersi, it's had its issues for what I was using it for to begin with. And the issue was the screen would go all garbled. Like, I even updated it to see if that would fix the issue. But updating it, it actually removed a couple of features on it. And I was like, what? Why did they remove it? So then I rolled back to the original one. And I don't use it for that anymore. PLD's ammeter's much better. So basically I'm using two whoops. Now gone. I'm using two ammeters. One that's hardwired to the bench power supply, and one that's just to my whatever I use. You have to say, yeah, Briz, I don't know why they haven't fixed that. The only way to ungarble it is if you flip it round and flip it again. ON is better, is it? I'm happy with what I'm running now. There's no need for me to change. Andy's on his second FNB58. We won't talk about... No, don't. Don't tell me about the first one. Still Aggie back then, weren't I? Power ON, yes. Yeah, I think I still got my first... Hang on, wait. Have I still got my first one? I'm sure I do. Pretty sure I still have my first one in here somewhere. Yeah, here it is. So this is my first one, my first ever one. Well, half of it. And that's the damage that yeah. This is my first one. So, oh, got some nice current sense resistors on that. Didn't know that, that's good. That's one half of my first one. Don't know where the other half went. It's not cheating if you switch to another brand. I haven't. I'm still using the same brand. Still using the exact same one. Whoa, this is the dusty boy. Oh, it's a bit dusty. Yeah, dust bunnies and everything. I need to clean out my shed again. There's stuff everywhere. Right, I'm muting it again. Thank you. You're welcome. Undergrow. What are you saying thank you for? I ordered a PLD 1.2 alongside the ring light since he is out of the ring lights at the moment. I'm willing to wait until he has stock again. I can't remember. Do you have a trinocular scope? I can't remember what scope you were using. So if it's for a standard one, you're going to have a bit of issues like I have. Hopefully, if I win NanoFix's giveaway and win that trinocular, I'm going to use PLD's ring light on it. I once bought a £50 device just to take £2 IC. What, Don? No, Don. You say that. Don't retract your messages. And 2, I once bought a £40 Xbox One X for a golden screw, for one screw. So I know how you feel. So just to let you know, I'll start work at 1, so I won't have my phone. I'll pick up break 3 or 4, just in case. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, the ring light is super bright. Yeah, I used the Yezan 4K. Yeah, see, I don't have a... Who's that at my door? Now he's pressed the button. Who's this guy? Who's at the door now? Chicken.
I've got a really small one.
Family.
I've got a really small one.
Oh no!
I've got a really small one.
There's a pickup. One of the laptops. The one with the backwards date on it. Stop! Oh, I'm going to have to mix up some more juice soon. I've literally run out of a bottle. I've got 1 bottle left, so I need to mix that up. I'm almost out of juice in my vape. Come in. Come in. I'm coming. I'm coming. Some more juiced. Eh? Juice. Never late, always arrives juiced in time. Yeah, he's a busy man at the minute. He's not really been on much. I hope he's okay. Hot Cows, when have you been here for? How long have you been here for? How are you? I heard that you've bought a new third-party screen, I think, for the Switch lights. Oh no, I'm just kidding. EDM. What about the wrong youngest generation? You know what? As soon as the missus come home yesterday, or after I picked her up, she was like, "Oh, I've got to go to the shop. Do you want anything?" I thought, for God's sake. Started already. So I had a Subway. I was doing so good eating like all week. When we have, oh yeah, we might have a barbecue tonight actually. When we having a barbecue? I don't know. When do you want a barbecue? Anytime you want. Nah, just a digitizer. Oh, good luck. I don't care what anyone says. They say, oh, it's easy to do and it's perfectly aligned. I guarantee it won't be perfectly aligned. 100%. You just don't know what you're looking for. I'm a perfectionist. I know when it's not perfectly aligned. You'll see a slightly bigger black border either top. It might be slightly wonky. To a normal person, you probably won't see it. But I guarantee you won't get that perfectly aligned. You could have said nothing. Thank you. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, I could have said that. Yes. I could have. And I also asked for a monster, but she didn't get me a monster. So I can see cows with this projector. I already swapped one once, but it's the wrong color frame. Uh-oh. Do you see that? That's a dust mite. Oh no, it's a dust mite. I don't even know where it is. I can't see it with the eye. I'm just squirting underneath my scope. Hopefully that'll kill it. Brother. What's that? I think it's dead now. Yeah, IPA. We've got infestation already. Oh no. Okay, let's just rip for him. See, that's what you get when you do. They're so small with the eye, like you can't see dust mites. That's probably crawling with them. But what can you do? So, of course, I'm a bug killer. What do they eat off of? Dead skin, isn't it? I believe. I think it is dead skin. Yeah, I missed live stream. Wong Wei. Love that name. I'm glad you joined in. Welcome in. Hinky, hello mate. Could be worse. Just look under your fingernails with the microscope. Yeah, I'm not going to do that today. Maybe another day. English accent still is almost as good as Lewis Rossman. Thank you. Let's not put our microscopes on our beds. That would be... Oh my God. I dare get a UV lamp out. That's all I can say. Oh. Wong Wei. I love that name. Cool. And he's got a dry spot. Good job it is broken. Whoops. Actually, I was going to strip the rest down. We just need the board. Yeah, Wong Wei, you kind of joined not a bad time as such, but you missed other repairs. I don't just do game consoles. I do everything. Try to do everything. Will the walls look like a Pollock painting? What's that? Fingerprint on the dry spot. Yeah, that's a good point. How? That was factory sealed. That was factory sealed. How is that? Do you reckon the factory worker accidentally put their thumb on it before putting a liquid metal? What? Paint splats. Oh, right. Okay. Thanks, girls. I see. What's wrong with the PS5? The title up there shows what's the issue. We're going to look at the HDMI circuit. It's just, oh God, yeah, look. Oh, we're going to miss that cap. I'm running out of spaces for these caps. I need to order more capacitors for these. Rip pads. Oh, is there rip pads? Don't look like it. Can't see. That cap's definitely gone in it. Yeah, I think the cap's gone. Yeah, there's no cap there. Test the print. Yeah. Match the fingerprint with the dust mite. What? Oh, what's this? What's the latest I could go? What do you mean? Why is he asking so many questions? He's got an Xbox Series X that keeps shutting down. At first, he said, how much just to repaste it? I said, it's £30 for a service. And then that's it, just flooded in loads of bloody information. Oh, just book it in. See if it'll fix it. Can't go wrong with 30 quid. Most of the time it fixes shutting off issues, but not all the time. Anyway, let's get this off. Wait, can you actually order those tiny caps? Yeah. They're 100 nanofarads. I mean, I've got 100 nanofarad caps, but they're the wrong size. I think the ones I bought was 0. Yeah, look. See, these are my 100 nanofarad ones, but they're actually way too big. They're smaller than, what is it? They're 0201s, I believe. And I've got 0402s, so it's actually the wrong size. So I have to keep pulling them from all the donor boards that I got. Its standard size and rating can be replaced. Let me see if I can find 2.5 men seen with the Pollock painting reference. Okay. 447%. Yes, Undergrow, you got it. Half lit. A guy once asked me to replace 10 ICs on a Nintendo Switch original. I asked why. Eh? What? That makes no sense. On each Switch? Yes, finally. Finally, what, Undergrow? I mean, I should boost it up to 480, but I'm happy with this speed. See, it didn't take too long. No ripped pads. No worry about sucking up the capacitor. Why is that not sucking up? There you go. I nailed the temp. Oh, right. I use 447% on Switch USB. If you're quick, yes, I would suggest going down to 370 though. Do you know what? As most of that solder was lifted off, I'm not even going to remove the old one. Oh, too many boxes in here. Off the pads, I mean. What about USB-C ports on the controller? What temp are you using on that? Like, it'll be 370, I would. Smaller boards. I don't know, actually. It depends how I feel. I honestly don't know. On small, thin boards like that, I would go down to 370. But anything else, like removing chips off of boards, ports, I would definitely go down 370 on smaller boards like that. Components wise and stuff, 440 all day. T12 or T2545, what's that? T12? Cleanest HDMI pad. Yeah, it is. Oh, I've got to get a bloody cap. Ugh. back of the USB ports. There is some. Nope, they've been removed. This one. They've been removed. Oh god, it's not looking good. I think there's probably more underneath the south bridge as well. Get off! Thank you. They've been removed. Oh, please. And removed. Oh god. This one. Aha, got one left on this one. Blimey. Where is it? Near this USB port. Is it there? That's removed. There. Why don't you buy 100 pieces? I know I should, because I just keep forgetting. I need to add, tell you what, in a minute I'll add it to my list on AliExpress. I'll put it in my basket right now so I don't forget. Trousers are pants. We say no. Sorry, no trousers. 100% trousers. Way off. Sorry. We say trousers. Pants is our underpants. Don't start. Nah, no bridge. It's fine. It's not a bridge. It's a bit of dirt. Oh no, it's out of focus. Oh my god, I can't do this. Hold on. Using the wrong hand. That'll do. Sorry, it's wonky. Nice one, geezer. It's fine. Yeah, it is. Trousers, what you wear over your underwear. Yeah, we wear trousers over our pants. Don't think. There you go. I think I need to get more comfortable with hot air station. Yeah. You will with practice. Yeah. He's working from home. Yeah. Is your element? No, I've changed it before Pabs and it's still the same. It only half lights up. I've already replaced the element. I accidentally ordered the wrong voltage one without realising, and it blew my atom. Right. I mean, slightly off, but some people say theirs lights up full glow at 440, 70%. Others say that theirs don't. So it's like a pick of the draw. Bottom looks factory. That's good. Just got to clean it. Pants is what you do after. Eh? Oh, you pant. Yeah. Oh dear cows. What you like? No, Sand. Have you? And hello, by the way. Tasted Flux? No. Who does that? Am I going to watch England's match with when's that on? Underpants. Who gives a fuck? Exactly, yeah. So you use text to speech then? We could have fun with that. Hello, Mike. Flux is basically bee poop. Is it? What? Where are you guys getting these weird things from? Focus. No, but open to trying everything once. Oh my god. Has everyone tried their own thingy? I haven't. I sniffed it. That's as far as it goes. What? Exactly. What? I know some people that will. Some people I know that have. What? Yeah. I don't know how people could. Not judging. Everyone's different. Okay, we know that's fine. I mean, they're soldered on solid. Barbecue, Phil. Have a barbecue, mate. Nice British weather today. Oh, I've got something. I've got a confession. I'm sorry, guys. It's empty.
Oh no!
No, not oh no. It should be yay. We never got to see it empty. It's just poured into my bin. Okay, let's use the USB tester first, and then I'll do it on screen. Get in. All right, let's have a look. Oh, we've got some lights. Come on, give me green lights. Give me green light. Yeah. That means if I plug in the USB, I mean, not even the USB, is it? HDMI. It's funny how nobody answered my question. And you can see it's working. There you go. Are we all British? I just had green tea. There's a few of us is, yes. Falcon is. Oldham is. Hot Cows is. Worms is. I Squish Worms. I don't know anyone else. I like Red Bush tea. Oh, what was it I used to like? I think it was Red Bush. It's very tangy. Games by Gamers. Welcome in again. Hello. I think that's shut down. I believe it is. Picture in picture. I don't like tea or coffee. What? James, who are you? Hello, mate. You can't not like tea or coffee. Nah, that would be nettle tea. I tried that once, nearly threw up after the first sip. Huh. Oh, no, don't need that anymore. It's that I need. Throw this donor board over there. Right, let me order up or put on order. Okay.
I've got a really small one.
Have you, James? 100 NF 0201s. 100 NF 0201. Oh, you bugger. You made me type that in the wrong area. Cut. Didn't want it in my orders section. There, that's where I want it. $100 pieces. That'll do for me. 100 NF. Where is it? 100 PF. Do they not have 100 NF? No, I don't want. Yeah, 100 NF. Where the. What? That's stupid. It says there, look, 100 NF. Why they lie? Or am I blind? No, 4.7, 6.8, 10, 220, 330, or 322, no, sorry, 220. No, okay. 100 pieces. There you go. 0201s, 100 NFs. Perfect. That's a lot just for 100. Added to cart. Wait, oh, wait. Does it matter the voltage? Higher is better, right? It's not going to go above 10 volts. Why is there a different voltage rating? 0.1 UF is 100 NF. Is it? Yeah, it's AliExpress, yeah. Not safe for work. All right, let me go back to that other one because it was a lot cheaper. You said 0.1 is UF is 100 NF. That still don't help. That's not even on here, neither, worms. So it's going to have to be that expensive one. They ripped me off around 3 months ago, said they'd deliver but never received my order. Yeah, it's a hit and miss with this. 021's 100 NF. That'll do. Added to cart. Okay, 95p plus delivery. Hopefully I'll get over £8. Then I'll get free delivery. No, that's fine. You're good. Stops me from keep pulling them off. Was it really worth that much? Ooh.
VIP repair service, subscribe to the channel.
Thank you, VIP service, for subscribing to the channel. Did I take that big screw out? I don't think I did. Is it because it's disc edition? No. How weird's that? I don't remember taking that out. Maybe it didn't come with one. I bet it did. Did you not manage to get a refund then? Because it was marked as delivered. You should do chargeback. Ring your bank up. If it was that much for me, I definitely would. I'd contact the bank. Right, I'm going to go blow this all out. I will keep you muted until I've done it all, including the fan. I will be back. Bleh. 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 Bleh.
Andy's the best. Oh no!
Bleh. What did I what did I miss? Edinburgh, hello. I took a photo of my front door, nothing like the photo posted, and they still did not resend or refund. That's harsh. Sorry to hear that. Whoa. I think AliExpress, not the seller, will reimburse you. Yeah, no point contacting the seller. So I haven't purchased from them since. I spent over a few grand, yeah. That's it's a shame though. Just means sometimes it's harder for you to source a certain amount of chips then. The screw was missing. Thanks, Farm Tech. That's weird. Why? First we had a fingerprint on there. Now we've got a screw missing, which it shouldn't have been. There should be one in there. Very strange. Yes, and cost more. Can you find the door in the photo? Yeah, it might be around the same area. Oh yeah, the fun part, liquid metal. Nope, Ali stepped in and said no refund. Fuck. Sorry to hear that. Damn, there's a lot of liquid metal on this one. The person who shipped me their PS5, he's supposed to be collecting it today. I said I'll ship it back. He was like, no, I'll come collect it. I was like, okay. Saves me a job. Go to post office. It is standard Sand Freak, yeah. Unfortunately. It's a bloody nuisance. It's filled up with liquid IPA now, so it's going to be harder to spread. There you go. It's actually dried out. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh. Hate this part. Okay, that was all done. Yeah, so this LiPo charger that I've got to look at next, it works. It's got a dial on it where you twist the knob and then you could press it in for it to click. It doesn't click. It clicks, but it doesn't register as clicked. And you can't buy replacements anywhere, which is good. And he said, no matter what I can do, just get it clicked, even if it means bodging it. No, I don't feel comfortable about doing that. I'm sure you could just replace the button or whatnot it is, whatever it is. Greetings, Andy from Melbourne, Australia. Hello, mate. How are you? Nice to see you. Good afternoon. Good Arvo. Arvo, mate. Oh no, look at this. What a mess. Perfect. Potentiometer, you reckon it's a pot? The twisty bit works, it just doesn't click in. Better not be a pot with a clicky built-in clicky thing. All right. Lovely. I don't want to live without you. Jesus Christ, that's an essay 8-bit. Don't think I want to read that. Ali locked my account for requesting a refund on items claimed delivered but not. Courier confirmed items lost and provided a letter appealing the case now but opened another account. Damn. I'm going to have to put the aircon back on. Jesus. Where is that sponge? There it is. Okay. Good as factory. Jesus. Cal, sorry, I'm not reading that out. Jackanory time. What's that mean? And what ordinary person videos opening packages? I do it on stream. Only when I'm on stream. I mean, not only when I'm on stream, if I'm on stream. So that's about it. Unless you're not calling me normal. Fuzzy, hello, good day. Happy Saturday. Give me money. Money me. Money now. Me a money. Needing a lot now. Remember when Ace ordered something that didn't get delivered and Ali wanted him to ship the item back? Was that the Switch 2 game carts, readers? I think that was it. I'm not sure. Yeah, it sucks sometimes. So I think the only way is to charge back, then they shut your account again. Oh, do they? Bye, Worms. Enjoy it, mate. Think of me the whole time you're doing it. Thank you. Bye. Can't remember. It was a while ago. Oh. Yeah, it should have a screw there. Oh, you pissing idiot. I forgot to put the motherboard screws in. I was talking to you guys. Oh yeah, remember to leave my fingerprint on the chip. Yeah. There you go. What is stairs? I hope you're joking. Stairs are the things you step on to go usually up to another level. Or if you spell it differently, it means where you look into somebody's eyes or something for a long period of time. Oh look. I hate it when he stares. But that's spelled differently. Stairs is what like you take. Wait, stairs are what take you to Bedfordshire. Hello, dreams. Sweet dreams are made of this. Oh, I'm gonna either have to take some painkillers or have another coffee. You went with eyes, huh? Yeah? Yeah, with eyes. I stare at tail insertion testers. You stare at tail. Yeah. I know what you're saying. Yeah. Staring can get you into trouble. Yeah. Stairs are what takes you up to a place in a song that was copied by a tourist and called Spirit. Yeah. Going up to. Did you Google that? Did you ask AI one way? And that's what it came out with. Highway to hell. Yeah. It does. Yes, sir. And when you get there, you will know all that glitters is gold. With the word, you can get what you came for. Don't know that song. Very well. If that still refers to that song, I don't know what you're saying. How could you think that? Three more. Oh, it was a digital edition. Oh, maybe only disc editions have them then. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah. Phil, do you sell the breakout boards? Oh, yeah, Phil, here you go. You've got people asking. Maybe I should put a pin in chat. Can I do that? Sorry, I don't know how to do that. How do I pin? Can I pin a message? Pin message. Okay, I could pin my own message. Um, okay. Maybe that'll do. Quick, how do I pin the message before it disappears? There you go. Want an SMD breakout board? DM Phil at Oldham Electronic Repairs on Discord. And if you want to know what that is, I think he's saying he's selling them for £2. One of these. You get to solder resistors, capacitors to it, and you could use either side with your probes to measure. Well, you could do it on all of them, actually. Yeah. Really cool. Banging. Cheers, pal. No worries. I forgot I could pin messages. Alright, this is all cleaned up. I'm getting a bit delayed now. It should have been done already. Means you don't have to chase components around. Yes, and when they go ping, or you don't have to use glue. Not glue tack. That's it. Still not perfectly clean. Still dusty. Cool. What do you use for hot air station? I use the Atten ST862D, the one that every bloody buddy uses. That's annoying because I pinned that message. I constantly see it at the bottom of my screen. Yeah, that's it.
Family.
Needs an ultrasonic clean. No, I'm no longer putting plastic in my ultrasonic cleaner. I did that to my Game Boy Advance SP and it kind of changed the whole color of it. I cried. It went from black to grey. I was not happy. I ended up reshelling it anyway. It was in good condition too. It was just dirty. Still no emojis on the YouTube app. Can't glue emoji. Eh? You okay, Chris? What do you mean you can't glue an emoji? Oh, yeah, I remember you saying that you lost all your emojis. That sucks. Just dismiss the message. Yeah, but I'm on OBS. I can't. I got remove, unpin, or go to channel. This is on OBS, the streaming thingy. Look, it's constantly stuck down there. But I can't dismiss it. Damn it, Phil. If I remove, that's going to remove it, delete it, I think. I don't know. It is what it is. Sorry. It's that time on Wait. It's that time on a Saturday being dragged. Oh, shopping. Well, have fun. Can you grab me a monster on your way out, please? Or on your way through? Really fancy a monster. Game Boy Advance? Yeah, Game Boy Advance SP. I suppose I better do a final test before putting my stickers on it. Oh dear, I might have to get a drink in a sec. Artificial aging. What? AI. Here we go. In 3, in 2, in 1. We have picture, of course. Wiggle test. Oh, it flickered slightly, but that's due to my lead. That's fine. Oh, yeah. It's fine. Ay. Bless me. Oh, let's get rid of that thing for you. Bless me. Some dust mites, innit? Getting up my nose. Once, gross, is vaping popular in the UK? Australia made it illegal. Did they? Yes, vaping in the UK is extremely popular. Or common. You see everyone with a vape in their hand. Cool. That's done. Done and dusted. Beautiful. Alright, so pop that back in his bag. Give him a contact. Say, hey, all done. Actually, I don't need his number. Alright, is my Switch charged yet? No, it's still pulling 700. Alright, I've got to go make up more juice quick, sorry. If it was not for vape, I would never quit smoking. Exactly. Well, I'm not in the same issue, but I hate this bit. Oh. Oh. Oh, it gets... Why did it make it so difficult to open? Sorry guys, I will move on to the next one. It's just I need juice. Once all the RAM in the world is consumed by AI, it will move to another fuel source. 3/4 pounders. Ace in trouble. Huh? Then stop vape. Oh, did you? Oh, fair enough. Cigarettes is expensive. It's like, isn't it like £20 for 20 fags? That's just ridiculous. Sounds like my nephew needs juice. What juice you got there? It's for 200 millilitres. It's a really good price. £15 for 200 ml. With 3 nicotine shots, 4 nicotine shots. And it's... I'll show you which one I got. Hold on. I think it's brilliant price. 15 quid for 2 bottles of these plus 4 shots of nicotine. Doozy Infinity Strawberry Watermelon. And it's from UK Vape Scene. Yeah, UK Vape Scene. £14.99. 200 mil, 2 bottles of these, plus 4 and 3 nicotine shots. Sorry guys, I will move on. Nearly done. Yo, DJ Beads, hello. Done. Right, let's get the next thing. The customer's details. I was going to message the PS5 customer. What did he say? But we'll come pick it up. I know, start with 1. Don't have my phone on me, but we'll come back on break at 3 to 4. Okay. So I can't give him an invoice yet anyway. So this is a LiPo charger. And apparently you can't select things. Check this power supply out. This is the power supply for it. Look at that. 12 volts, 47 amps. I used to make my own juice. Had to buy all the flavors, PG, VG. It was cheaper, yeah, but it's more hassle. Hello, Tom. I laugh at the Siggy machine packets. They would supply like 2 less Siggies and cost more than that. Yeah, I know, it's bad, isn't it? Where from? Yeah, that. UK Vape Scene. THC juice. Now that would be fun. That would be if you could get proper THC. A server supply. It's a battery charger, in other words. Yeah, this is a battery charger. Oh, is it 8-bit? Thank you. Right, let's get this plugged in and see, confirm the fault, see if it doesn't click or if it does click. Now, I'm sure I don't need 47 amps. That's only for charging. I won't need 47 amps. Now, let's just use my bench power supply for the 12 volts. It won't be drawing 47 amps just to turn on. It's not actually... Okay, LiPo charger won't select or confirm. That's crazy. It says 10 to 32 volts DC is input. Alright, so it turns on. It's only pulling milliamps. Oh, no. Right, so this works. Let's go into settings. Yeah, can't go into settings. So it's confirmed. Oh, I'm in it. Just needs a clean, I guess. Go back. Oh, that was a fluke. Can't get in it again. Oh, there you go. It worked again. Yeah, I just needs a button clean. Press it in the right spot. Okay. Yeah, they are, yeah. So let's just get into it. See if I get to the button. Hopefully it's not too difficult. Don't know if this will go in. I'm gonna have to use normal screwdriver. Sad times. Nope, that don't fit. Just spray some contact cleaner in the switch. I will when I get to it, yeah. You're in it, innit? Well, that works. Fixed. This is the last fix of the day. Didn't expect this to be this quick. I still got to contact the other bloke about his water control box thing. I forgot to do it last night. I'm going for Argentina. Oh, wicked. Oh, you're still in. Oh, you're on about football? England will win the World Cup, surely. One cannot win since 1964. I know. What are we crying for? I'm leaving the real world now. Oh, nice. Bye. I don't even know if I'm undoing these. Feels like it. Right, is that all the screws? Yeah. Oh, the top comes out. Okay. Hopefully there's no large caps in there. It is only DC. Damn it. Don't lose any screw. Oh, what? Oh, it is a potentiometer switch. Oh, nice. That's easy access. Cool. I'll just put some stuff in the switch. Some what's it called? Deoxit. Deoxit. Where is it? I'm gonna buy the spray next. Reason being is it's like 20 odd quid on Amazon. Well, I paid like £8. Actually, I can't remember how much I paid for that. Probably like £17. Where is my Deoxit? Where's my Deoxit? Such a small little bloody tub. Have I put it in the wrong drawer? No. Oh, don't do this. You're in here somewhere. Yeah, there you are. Right at the bloody back. I'm running low. Look. Hardly any left. Sell something similar to Deoxit at a quarter the price. Rotary encoder. Is that what it's called? Not just a potentiometer. Right, let's see if this works. Get in there. I have a feeling it's not going to go in. It's not liquidy enough. Maybe if I blow in there, it should push it down. Cost £30. I'm gonna have to get a drink. My mouth's drying. Easy access miniskirt. Yeah. Alright, let's have a look. So that fixed it. Yay! Fixed! Look how easy that is. Every time. Easy pizza. It's still a rotary encoder. Yeah, okay, yeah. Fancy word for rotary encoder. Cool. I'll put that together now. Fixed for a week or so. Nah, Deoxit's pretty good. That's the whole point of Deoxit. Is there a screw in now? Did it fall out? No, there is a screw in there. Why is it not screwing down? Or I'm just being impatient. Yeah, I'm just being impatient. Wow, squirting 100 pounds of Deoxit won't make a cheap repair though. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, perhaps. We'll see. We'll see if the customer comes back or not. So negative, Pabs, every time. Negative Nancy. I thought I was bad. Cool. One final test. Comes with 3 months warranty anyway, so if it does fail within 3 months, I will replace it. One for the back of my throat so dry. Who is Andy? I'm guessing there's some deep. I mean, no. I was underage. Couldn't get a tattoo. Yeah. Cool. All right, I'll let him know that's ready. And then that's it for me today. Woohoo! Happy, happy, happy. I'll have to go there, although that's fixed. That's my overflow pile. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. 6 items that's repaired that need to be picked up. 7, including PS5. Yeah. Nice repairs. Yeah, something different, bit of variety. But that's it now for today. I've literally run out of work because I am super fast. Super fast mobile broadband. Sorry, it works. It works in Voice Next. Yeah, there is no next. Sorry. Sloth streaming. What? Yeah, 100%. I have got to charge my daughter's hoverboard. I have to use my bench power supply for that, which is annoying and naughty. What am I doing? Didn't realise Sloth was raiding. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Thank you everyone who's been sticking around. It's only been a short stream, 2.5 hours. But those amplifiers, I didn't expect to come across those issues straight away. And one of them being perfectly fine. Yeah, Sloth is streaming. Right. Thanks everyone for joining. Again, enjoy your weekend. Thanks to everyone who subscribed, watched me and contributed to chat. It's been nice. Hopefully I'll have some more stuff coming in later, and then I'll stream again Monday morning. I should take pictures of my repairs to start boosting up my page on Facebook. Did you fix your car? No, not my amplifier. It wasn't mine. Thanks, Simon. Bye, Briz. Bye, Falcon. Yes, 100% Phasmo. Yeah, let me just go have some lunch and then I'll be on. Thanks. Chill and relax. Thank you again for the controller, mate. Works spot on. Absolutely lovely. I mean, I did get sent another controller by somebody else, but it doesn't work. All the buttons are stuck. I'll have to look into that. It doesn't work. It's stuck. It jams. Analog stick stuck. No buttons pressing. But I appreciate whoever sent me that one as well. Thank you. Thanks, Rick. Chris, you're welcome. Farm Tech, I will do. TFN, I might stream today. Yes, nice. I might be playing Phasmo though. Sorry, Soldering Dutchman. You missed it, man. I did like 5 repairs. All fixes. Oh no, I'm catching the ending. Oh, good. That's good. Right, I'm going. In 3, 2, 1. Hang on. Bye, guys.